A little scientific experiment that Einstein didn't know. Put a bottle of freshly boiled water upside down and put an ice block at the bottom. You can imagine that the water in the cup can boil again under the cooling effect of ice. A table tennis ball that can float according to common sense. But if you put it at the bottom of the funnel and pour water on it, you will find that the table tennis ball can't float. Put the egg in clear water to sink to the bottom. Just pour salt into the water and stir it fully. After dissolving, you will see the egg float miraculously. As long as a bamboo stick is smeared with some edible oil, he can pass through an inflated balloon. Pour a glass of water and soak a chicken bone in it for a week. After taking it out, you will get a soft bone. Float a burning candle on the water and cover it with a glass cover, and you will see that the candle seems to be burning in the water. Put a close coil on the flat soap bubble film.